Hi guys, here is Ganesh and welcome to Learning Solution. So guys, in this video we are going to address very important, very big problem. That is, you understand English but can't speak fluently. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you very important and very secret tips. Okay, you want to know these tips? Here, come here. These are the secrets. Come on. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you 4 practicable implementable steps that if you start implementing these 4 steps, you will see very big and very big changes in your English. So if you want to know these 4 tips, stay with me till the end. Here we go. So come on guys, come with me. So guys, see, let me address this problem that why we face this issue. So guys, the main psychological issue that we too much think, we are too concerned about what would people think about us. That means how people judge my language. If I speak wrong English, if I'm grammatically wrong, then people will judge me. People will start making mockery. Okay, so these are the thoughts that we always runs in our mind. So guys, this is the main problem. That's why we can't speak fluent English. So you might be heard about Sandeep Maheshwari, that he always says that sabse bada rog kya kahenge log. So this is the very big disease that comes into this place. So guys, see, so here are the 4 tips that would make you speak fluent English. Okay, so let's go. So guys, first tip is that use English speaking apps. Yes guys, you heard me right. Use English speaking apps. Just like I used Joskel app, guys. You can also use this app and it's actually free. What you just got to do, simple, just install this app and just start using English speaking section, English speaking feature of this app, and you can just talk with anyone all over the India. Okay, so this is very useful app. You can go and check out this app. So this is guys first tip, that is use English speaking apps, and that will make you speak fluent English. Obviously after some time, keep consistency guys. Okay, so this was first tip. So guys, second tip is that have small talks. Yes guys, that means do self-talk, small self-talk. That means talk to yourself whenever you get some time. Talk to yourself for 1 minute, 2 minutes, just like I'm talking to you, just like you talk to your friends, family member, just like this, just talk to yourself in English. Okay, whenever you get free time. So this is more self-talks really help me to speak fluent English, and guys, this will also make you speak English, guys. So this is use it. It's very effective technique. So guys, this was the second technique, self-talks. Okay, so guys, here's the third tip, that is tongue twister. Yes guys, actually guys, it's quite a long journey to learn English language, to become fluent in this language, and you have to make this journey very interesting. If this journey is not interesting, you won't be consistent. So what I did actually to be consistent, so guys, I used actually tongue twisters. Yes guys, actually I used tongue twister, and you can also use this technique. Tongue twister means guys, I will explain you in simple words. Hindi mein nahi कि हम जैसे कहते हैं कि कच्चा बबर बकर. So it's like a tongue twisters. So guys, I will demonstrate you tongue twister in this video, that you will also enjoy this. So guys, first tongue twister, that is like Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? So just like this. So okay, let me take another one because this guy is so interesting. Second guy is like how can a calm cran in a clean cream can? How can a calm cran in a clean cream can? How can a calm cran in a clean cream can? So it's like this. Actually, I think I made a few mistakes here, but these are like guys tongue twister. And don't worry, I will put a link in the description that if you click on this link, you will land on a page. You will get a lot of tongue twister. Okay, so guys, you can practice and you can enjoy this English journey. Okay, guys. So guys, here is a 4 tip. That is, yes guys, I know it's boring, but guys, you have to learn basic grammar. Yes guys, grammar is very essential to speak English language. Say guys, what is the problem that, see, if you are not feeling that I'm speaking right English, then you won't have confidence. Okay, so if you want to feel confident, so you need to understand basic grammar, like like 12 tenses. Like there are actually basically 3 tenses, like present, past, future, and every tenses has 4 sub tenses. So these are actually these are all 12 tenses. So if you just understand these 12 tenses, then you will automatically become good at speaking, and you will also start making good sentences. Because if you know grammar, if you know how to make sentences, then your sentence structures will be enhanced. So guys, you need to focus on this thing, okay? Basic grammar, not not don't chase very advanced grammar, but you know, you need basic grammar, okay guys? So this was the fourth tip. So guys, first of all, I want to thank you so much for you for watching this video till this point. And here is the bonus tip for you. See guys, actually I've been personally learning English for 7 to 8 months, and you know, actually it literally took me several months. So see guys, it's all about mindset, because you know, when you start speaking English language, you have to, you know, keep some belief on yourself, because it's all about mindset guys. That means if you think that learning English is easy, then you will learn English guys. But if you think that, oh my god, learning English is too hard, what if they make what if I get insulted by people? So you know, don't entertain this kind of thoughts. Don't entertain this. Just focus and just believe on believe on yourself that yes, one day I will be speaking very good English. So just keep practice, and just whatever these 4 tips that I told you, that we have discussed in this video, practice these 4 steps, and it will really make you speak English language. That is my actual goal guys. And second thing guys, keep listening English as well as, okay? So that means you are practicing. That means, see guys, it's like you want to learn driving, so what you need to do, you will have to go out and you will have to drive. Simple. That's the solution. Just like if you also want to speak English, you will have to speak guys. This is a simple solution on this, okay? So you know, you are practicing these 4 tips, 3 tips, as well as just, you know, keep consuming and listening English language. So it's like, you know, you are understanding English, and you are also speaking. Let's discuss that what we have learned in this video. So guys, first tip was using English speaking apps. Yes guys, very effective. Second tip was have small self-talk. Yes guys, small talk. It worked for me. It's really worked very amazing. Okay, so use this. Second tip. Third tip was guys, tongue twister. Yes, very interesting. And fourth one guys, grammar. Yes guys, grammar. I know it's kind of work, but you got to understand basic grammar. Yes. Okay, karna hoga. So guys, these were the 4 tips, and if you like this video, don't forget to share and help other people to, you know, just become good at their language and make their life easy. So guys, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you guys.